all my Patreon people, I wanted to get an update out. It is July. Some things have changed. We're starting to do a few more live streams. We did this one the other day. This is the FL Sun Delta, the Super Racer. I actually kind of like this one. It's the first printer in a while that has turned out pretty good. We might actually do some more content on it because I think you could probably print pretty fast and it has a good set of features on it. So more to come. I'm still just starting to get testing with it. Vacation did get pushed back this year. We ended up partnering up with Printed Solid to do a giveaway here in the States and Canada. We're giving away a ton of filament, but we're running some contests. Spool reuse and then something with firmware hacking. That does end this coming Wednesday. So if you have any entries, please get them in. But that pushed the schedule for vacation. So I have videos running through all of July now, including the videos for the winners and all the stuff with the contest. But we're going to be pushing it to August, September timeframe. So I'll start making content again just a little later this year. Also, I wanted to speak to Voron and Clipper. Now, I made some comments during the live stream about some of the community members. In a lot of the videos that I post, we do read every comment still. And Voron has been a really hot topic. And there are a lot of members of those communities that are great, very helpful. And that's saying nothing against the people that actually design Voron or Clipper. I don't personally know any of them, but I know we've received a lot of ugly comments about Voron and Clipper in our videos. You know, even so much as putting us down because we don't do a lot of content on it. And that's the only thing that I'm talking about here. So, when I say something about I might not build a Voron because of these reasons, it's more just to save us headaches. There's a lot of things we can build out there, and we don't need one more thumb in the eye, basically. But fear not, we will be doing some sort of large build project, if not a couple of them. I told you before, I have an IDEX build. That's just going to get bumped up in the queue, so we're going to take a look at that. And I do want to put out some content just for the Patreon supporters. Maybe do some live streams. So there's definitely a lot more coming up. I'm also working on a project where I'm trying to print flexible and really large parts at speed. So there's going to be some content for that. I'm either going to go with the Omnia Drop or the Hemera. We might just test them both. Even maybe a custom Omnia Drop setup. I'm still trying to work all of that out. But for today, this is just a quick update. There's more printers to go. Again, we're going to do builds, but I've got an Elegoo printer that we haven't touched yet, a Mingda printer, as well as some other models coming up. So stay tuned for live streams. I'll try to get updates out as much as possible over the summer. But a short one, again, these videos are just for you, my wonderful Patreon supporters. Thank you for the continued support, and I'll see you on the next coffee break.